Welcome to your 11th mathematics class. Okay, so today I take a new topic that is based on practical problems on union and intersection of sets. Okay, in earlier section we learned about union, intersection and difference of sets. Okay, so today my topic is practical problem on union and intersection of sets. Okay, so here I take its first practical problem. Okay, let A and B are two finite sets. Finite sets. It means I have two sets. First set is A and second set is B. Okay, and A intersection B equal phi. It means A and B are disjoint set. It means A and B have not any common parts. Okay, so look at here. If here is set A, that is universal set, here is set A and here is set B. Okay, so it means both have not any common parts. So अब अगर कोई common parts नहीं है तो मैं इसको तो ऐसे भी बना सकता हूँ. Look at, so I will draw this Venn diagram in this way. Here is set A and here is set B. Clear? So Venn diagram is like this because A and B are disjoint set. It means अब A और B disjoint set है तो इस पार्ट में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है. So this part have not any common element. So it means ये जो common part है ये हमारा अलग अलग हो सकता है. Okay. So here, so what? So number of element. So number of elements in set A or B. So how many total number of element in set A or B? That is the symbol A or B means A union B. A union B means A part total number of element in A and total number of element in B. So it means that is called NA union B. So it means total number of element. Okay, number of element means NA. If I have a set A, in set A 1, 2, 3. So it means number of element in set A equal 3. Similarly, number of element in A union B because A union B is a new set. Okay, so we find total number of element in A or B, that is called A union B equal, look at the Venn diagram. So here we have, in this part we have total elements on A and here we have total elements on B. इस सेट के अंदर आपके टोटल एलिमेंट, इस शेडेड पार्ट में आपके टोटल एलिमेंट ए के होंगे, इस पार्ट में टोटल एलिमेंट बी के होंगे. तो आपको एन ए यूनियन बी निकालना है. तो आपको नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ए और नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट बी को क्या कर देंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. सो दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट ए प्लस नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट बी. सो इट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए और बी इक्वल एन ए प्लस एन बी. इट मीन्स टोटल आपके ए यूनियन बी के टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट कहाँ होंगे, इन आइदर ए में होंगे और बी में होंगे. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट ए और बी इज इन आइदर सेट ए और सेट बी. इट मीन्स इसके नंबर के टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट और इसके टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट को यदि आपने प्लस कर दिया तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए यूनियन बी फाइंड हो जाएगा. ओके ओके, सो नाउ पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन द फर्स्ट practical problem. Okay, and this formula you use if A and B are disjoint set. It means A intersection B equal phi. Okay. Now I take its second formula. Let A and B are two finite sets. Okay, and here A and B are not disjoint and set A and B are not not disjoint set. Okay, so if A and B are not disjoint set, it means A intersection B does not equal phi. Okay, look at the Venn diagram here. That is universal set, that is set A, and that is set B. Here is set A and here is set B. Okay, now in Venn diagram, look at, I shade this part. What is the name of the shaded part? Tell me. The name of the shaded part is called A minus B. Clear? A minus B. And here the shaded part is called B minus A. And the middle part, that is common part. So that is its name is A intersection B. Clear? So now here, so we can say that, so number of element in set A or B, that is called an A union B. So look at the Venn diagram. So what is A union B? A union B means total part. It means not shaded. It means complete part. देखो A union B means क्या हुआ, उसमें ये मिडिल पार्ट भी आ जाएगा, ये पार्ट भी आएगा, ये पार्ट भी आएगा. सो इट मीन्स टोटल पार्ट, टोटल इनसाइड पार्ट ऑन A एंड B. उसमें कॉमन पार्ट भी आ गया. ओके, सो A यूनियन B इक्वल व्हाट हैपन. सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट A यूनियन B के कहाँ कहाँ पे होंगे? लुक एट, वेयर इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट? इट मीन्स दिस पार्ट एलिमेंट प्लस दिस पार्ट एलिमेंट प्लस दिस पार्ट एलिमेंट. सो इट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन A minus B plus number of element in A intersection B plus number of element in B minus A. It means total number of element. How we will find total number of element? In A union B, this part element plus this part element plus this part element. Clear? That is a formula, but that is a lengthy formula. Okay, so we minimize the formula. How we minimize? So n A union B equal A minus B plus n A intersection B plus n B minus A, okay, plus n A intersection B minus n A intersection B. अब मैंने क्या किया, इस फॉर्मूले को हमने मिनिमाइज करने के लिए हमने क्या यूज किया, इस फॉर्मूले में देखो जो ऊपर का हमारा फॉर्मूला था, फ्रॉम द अबव फॉर्मूला वी ऐड एंड सब्सट्रैक्ट दिस सेम वैल्यू. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी को एक बार ऐड किया, एक बार सब्सट्रैक्ट किया. ओके, व्हाई वी ऐड एंड सब्सट्रैक्ट, आपको अब रीजन मिलेगा. ठीक है, सो एन ए यूनियन बी इक्वल, सो लुक एट द अंडरलाइन पार्ट. ओके, हियर एन ए माइनस बी, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड number of element in A minus B, and that part have number of element in A intersection B. If we add this part, number of element in A minus B and number of element in A intersection B, so number of element in A minus B plus number of element in A intersection B, so we find total number of element in set A. because set A बना कैसे है, इस पार्ट के एलिमेंट और इस पार्ट के एलिमेंट को अगर हम ऐड कर देंगे तो टोटल सेट A के एलिमेंट तो निकलेंगे. सो दैट इज दिस. So that is called NA. Plus similarly here look at number of element in B minus A. Look at this underlined part. Okay, so here n B minus A, number of element in B minus A plus number of element in A intersection B. So we find total number of element in set B. Look at this part plus this part is total set B. So that is called NB minus NA intersection B. That is the formula for finding the value, finding the total number of element in A union B. Clear? That is the that is the smallest formula. Clear? Any tough formula? Very easy formula. So अब अगर इस फॉर्मूले में आपको देखो, how many values are here? A union B equal NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. A intersection B means A and B. intersection means A and B, that is A or B. क्लियर. अब हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज आर हियर, 1 2 3 4. अगर इन 4 वैल्यूज में से अगर कोई भी 3 वैल्यूज आपको फाइंड है तो आप रिमेनिंग वैल्यू को क्या कर सकते हैं, इस फॉर्मूले में पुट करके फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, दैट इज दी फॉर्मूला फॉर टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट A और B. क्लियर. सो पॉज एंड नोट डाउन दी formula. Similarly, if we have 3 sets, okay, let A, B and C are 3 finite sets. Okay, here we have 3 finite sets. Okay, so number of element in set A or B or C. Okay, here we find a new formula for total number of element in 3 sets, set A or B or C. So it means number of element in set A or means union B union C. Clear. So now we derivate. Okay, now we take the derivation of this formula. Okay, so now we use here a associative property, because here we have 3 sets, 1 2 3 sets. So what is the formula? N A union B union C, that is associative property. Clear. After that, because you have a formula, what is the formula? Because you know nx x union y. In last topic, last formula is this, nx union y. So what is the formula? Nx plus ny minus nx intersection y, that is my previous formula. Okay, so look at here, A union B. अब इसको मैच करें, देखो, N A union B union C. Look at that is X and that is Y. So N X union Y. So मैच करें N X union Y. So expand the formula. So expand with the help of this formula. Okay. So what we find, equal N, that is called X and that is called Y. Put the value of X is A union B and value of Y is C side. Okay, so use this formula. And X means A union B and N A union B, because that is called X, plus N Y value is C. So N C minus N, what is X intersection Y. X value is A union B union C. So that is called Y. So N X intersection Y. So X intersection Y means that is X intersection Y. Y value is C. Clear? अब इसको हम remove कर देते हैं. Okay. Now, after that we use here a distributive property. Okay. So what is distributive property? Here intersection is distributed between the union of between A union B. That is called distributive property. The distributive property of intersection on union. Okay. So what is the distributive property here? Because we know X union Y intersection Z equal, that is X intersection Z, X intersection Z union Y intersection Z. That is called distributive property. Which आपने यहाँ पर किसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया? we distribute intersection on union, X intersection Z union Y intersection Z. That is our distributive property. So use here. So equal N A union B plus NC minus N So use A intersection C, that is called union B intersection C. Clear? After that, again you take this formula n x union y and A union B here. Same formula. So expand this formula. So its value is NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Clear? Plus NC plus NC minus. Okay. So here again we use this formula. We expand this part by this formula n x union y, that is called x value is A intersection C, union y value is B intersection C. So put the value of x is A intersection C, union y value is B intersection C on this formula. So we find x value is A intersection C, okay, plus y is B intersection C. Clear? After that, B intersection C minus n x intersection y. Here x value is A intersection C. A intersection C intersection B intersection C. B intersection C. Here bracket close. Clear? Okay. Now after that we open the bracket and put the value here. Okay. So what is the value of this part? Look at, because what is A intersection C intersection B intersection C. So open the bracket. Its value is A intersection C intersection B intersection C. Okay. Now we take here our associative property, our commutative property. Okay. We use here commutative property. इसको इधर because आपने पढ़ा होगा ना intersection follow commutative property. So we use here A intersection B intersection C intersection C. Why? Because इसमें नहीं लगाना है, इसको इधर ले आते हैं, इसको इस वाले पार्ट में हमने कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी लगाई, बिकॉज C इंटरसेक्शन B इज कॉल्ड B इंटरसेक्शन C. क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट इक्वल, now C intersection C value is C, so A intersection B is A intersection B and C intersection C is C. Clear? So its value is A intersection B intersection C. Clear? After that, put the value here and open the bracket. So we can say that NA union B union C equal NA plus NB. अब इन दोनों को हम आगे पीछे लिख लेते हैं, ठीक है? इसको आगे ले लेते हैं, इसको पीछे, प्लस NC that is C. Okay, NC माइनस, इसको आगे पीछे कर लिया ना, माइनस NA इंटरसेक्शन B. ओके, ओपन द ब्रैकेट, माइनस प्लस माइनस NA इंटरसेक्शन C माइनस प्लस माइनस NB इंटरसेक्शन C. ओके, माइनस n minus is plus, and its value is A intersection C intersection B intersection C value is A intersection B intersection C. From this way, its value is A intersection B intersection C. Clear? So we have a new formula, that is this. This is a new formula for finding finding total number of element in A or B or C. If we have three sets, so we find total number of element in A union B union C by this formula. Okay, So that is the important formula. Okay, so note the formula.